Recommendations for women's health. Women over the age of 35 need to pay special attention to their health. In this video, we're going to talk about ways to stay healthy as a woman. By the way, if you're looking for health products for the whole family, then visit our online store. There you can find blood pressure monitors and other health products at great prices. Regular checkups. Women over 35 should see a doctor regularly for screening and prevention of possible diseases like breast cancer, cervical cancer, diabetes, hypertension, and hormonal imbalance. Healthy eating. A healthy diet is crucial for a healthy heart, blood vessels, and bones. Make sure you consume enough protein from foods like eggs, chicken, fish, tofu, legumes, nuts, and healthy fats from olive oil, avocado, nuts, and seeds. Drink water. Maintaining a healthy water balance prevents dehydration and maintains healthy skin and mucous membranes. The National Academy of Medicine recommends that adult women drink about 2 liters, 67 ounces or 8 cups of water per day. Regular exercise. Physical activity is critical. Strive to participate in moderate physical activity for at least 30 minutes every day. It's also important to reduce the amount of time you spend sitting and make daily walks a habit to help maintain a healthy weight. Relaxation. A happy and healthy life also consists of plenty of time to relax and recover. Try to get 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night and practice relaxation techniques such as yoga. Share your habits for healthy living after 35 in the comments and watch our other videos. We wish you good health.